Hi, it's Matt from Glenbrook Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram, and I'm here with Amy and Neela. And Amy purchased her vehicle from us last year, way back last year. Now she's doing some service work with us, and we just want to say thank you for your business and doing your service with us. And obviously, we try to take care of all of our customers. And just let us know how we did. How did we do for you?
Oh, you guys were excellent. You guys were very professional. I come here all the time to get my car serviced. I just love the experience. It's a great experience.
And that's what we shoot for. And so if you come see us under the giant American flag or jump online at glenbrookdodge.com, just know that we're going to try to treat you that way as well. And
They'll take really good care of you.
there you go. And thanks again, Amy. We really appreciate it.
Hey, you're welcome.
Have a nice day.